evening, everyone. I wanted to highlight some of the trades that we took today and kind of highlight how we are able to maximize our profits on a few of these trades specifically. So this morning we had a little bit of a pullback on QQQ where we dipped below that 200-day moving average on the 5-minute chart, and from there we had the upward momentum. I did not capitalize on this run up on QQQ. Instead, I wanted to see where we would finally find resistance in that blue sky territory, since we were setting a new high. So today, right around 486.82 is where we saw that first sign of resistance. Once we had hit that blue sky territory, and then we saw this pullback down to this 485.62 level, and from there that's kind of where the interest came in. This was right around 11 a.m. This is Phoenix time. So in the middle of this, what we saw was kind of this barcoded area or chop zone where we saw a fluctuation and bounce back and forth inside this range from 486.25 to about 485.72. So about a 50-cent barcode area from top and bottom. So we went ahead and got in this trade right around 11:50 a.m. and we thought that there would be this continuation down out of the bottom side of this barcode, but it took a little bit longer to set up than we thought. So what happened was we bought in at about $1.96 start. During this run up, we actually saw these contracts drop down to about $1.75, $1.80, and then due to this not setting a new high, it kind of set a flag to me that we would be seeing somewhat of a pullback to go into close. So right at this point, we saw this pullback starting to take place. Right about this level, we had gotten back to break even at about $1.96, $1.94. And then from there, we saw the three strong candles to close that would actually put this contract in the money before the market had closed. Right around 484.29, we saw that these contracts were actually at about $2.50, $2.60, somewhere in that range. So that gave us about a 20% payback just to close the day, which was a very, very strong payback for something that got set up about 11:30, an hour and a half before the market closed. So when we closed these contracts, we had already locked in about 20% of the profit that we needed, and that was the last trade of the day.